My name is Tony Gado.
Oh, Tony Gado. Yeah.
We got Carlo Tampak on guitars. We got Sheldon Magbanwa on bass.
The Rocket Man, Rocket.
Yeah, daming racket. Michael Villarosa on keyboards.
Yeah.
And Virgil Tabihe on drums. How about a big round of applause for the rhythm section?
I've been
On ground, ladies and gentlemen.
for 17 years. Yeah, Virgil.
Tony Gado on vocals, y'all.
Yeah, I'll mention my name. Alright, so another Tagalog song that I am sure everybody's familiar of. So, we'd love to hear you sing. So just go along with this next song. Wala rin mangyayari kung isikan magkita ng lang kung sino man ang puso ko tuloy
wow, wow, wow.
Maraming salamat po.
Tony Gatto and Common Ground. You know what, Tony? You don't only look like Slumdog Millionaire artist, but side A. Do we need side A here? When Tony Gatto is here, right?
Salamat po,
The
maraming
voice is
salamat.
like so side A, man.
Enjoy the rest of the program.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat, RTG.
Dr. Leomer said, sino ba ang stars nating mga babae from GMA? Who can answer me that? Gloria? Gloria Romero? Yeah, kay dad niyo po yun.